From mountain peaks to city streets, there's a lens to capture the world you've never seen. With a 26mm lens and a supreme large sensor, the night becomes your canvas. Its compact design makes it perfect for every quest. Hit the button and whoosh, your adventure's at its best. With 8K resolution, editing is a breeze. Crop it, zoom it, and create your Hollywood standard scenes. With an AI focus locked in, try surfing, flipping, or diving. It follows like the biggest fan. With autopilot on, watch it glide through terrain so sleek. Features 6-way obstacle avoidance, making danger a thing of the past. It has 10 preset Hollywood shots. Newbies can also make blockbusters. It offers dual satellite navigation. Altitude, freezing temps, and strong winds are no match. It conquers mountains, it conquers time. It holds the signal, keeps your inspiration alive. What's more, it's the 30 minutes of extended battery life. Shoot and share instantly. Let the inspiration thrive. It is not just a drone. It is your gateway to the world, your partner in capturing passion. Small, smart, stunning. Making every adventure unforgettable.
Se gostou deste vídeo, deixe seu like e não esqueça de se inscrever no canal. Obrigado por assistir. Você já viu os outros vídeos do meu canal? Eles estão organizados em playlists, que estão separadas por modelo de drone. Tenho certeza que você vai achar alguma que te interessa. Veja a seguir uma apresentação dos meus vídeos mais assistidos.